Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm dance and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is minus 21, B is 0, C is 1 and D is 21. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now let's move towards to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So here we have this bracket which contains two operations. One is multiplication and other one is subtraction. Although one number has the power. So one by one, we will solve this one. So first of all, we will multiply these two numbers, or you can say, first of all, we have to solve the power. So first of all, we have to solve the power. 4 multiplied by 9, then minus, and 6 raised to power 2 means 6 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 36. Bracket close, and outside the bracket we have the power. Again we have division, 3 minus 21. Now here we have to give the reference like 6 raised to power. Now move forward. Step number 2 we have solved because we have solved the exponent part. Now move forward. To solve this bracket we have to solve the multiplication. So here we have 4 multiplied by 9, which is equal to 36 minus 36, and outside the bracket we have square. So we will write square divided by 3 minus 21. And here we have to give the reference like 4 multiplied by 9 equals to 36. Now we have solved these terms, and now we have the 36 minus 36. So that we can solve this bracket, so it becomes the 0 because we have two numbers with same number but have the different sign. So here we have 0 raised to power 2. We will write here divided by 3 minus 21. And here we have to give the reference 36 minus 36. It becomes 0. Now move forward. Now we have again a number which has the power. So we will solve this one. 0 raised to power 2 means 0 multiplied by 0, and it becomes 0 divided by 3 minus 21. So here we have equals to. Now we have a number. Now we have solved the exponent part. Also we have here division and multiplication, so we have to solve this one. So we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 0 divided by 3. So any number divided by 0 divided by any number, so we get the answer is 0 and minus 21. So here we have 0 divided by 3 equals to 0. Now move forward. We have two numbers which are subtracting each other, 0 minus 21. So the answer of the given expression is minus 21. Why minus? Because we have the minus sign with the larger number. So that's why we will write like minus 21. If you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.